This person flips off, then ran a red light, and second later learned a lesson.
Oh, running a red light. Oh my God!
Holy
What?
is she?
Oh my God, dude. Holy hit and run, and then runs a red light.
Oh my God.
Oh, 911. Yeah, so I just had a hit and run, and then she ran.
This is what instant karma looks like. Two guys tried doing donuts and caused a crash that almost badly hurt this person. This person did not pay attention and gets in front of a truck that caused big crash. He was trying to race and then lose control and crashed his Corvette on a highway. This Tokyo drift driver sent this poor dude flying. He was trying his Ferrari's top speed and crashed badly. This reckless driver was sleeping while driving, putting everyone at risk. Did he park correctly? This guy started pouring cement from his truck on highway. Do you hate these kind of drivers? This woman was on her phone texting while driving, then caused an accident. Luckily, no one was injured. Again, one more person texting while driving. He was not so nice to the nature by throwing his trash through the window. Then this woman did the same to him.
Part of me wants to grab it and throw it back in there. Yeah, you can if you want. I would hurry though.
Car hits a bike on a highway and gets instant karma for that by crashing his car.
Meu Deus! Segura, segura! Meu Deus do céu, desgraçado! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí suave! Fica aí suave! Fica aí, caralho! Fica aí, filha da puta!
This bike driver was driving too close to his friend and then went flying over highway.
Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
Oh God, I think he might have just.
He died. He died. He died. He died.
I got on dash cam too.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!